People seem to forget that banks ran out of money. People seem to forget that there was times during GFC and through COVID when we actually had to know the strength of how willing the lenders were, when the lenders actually had that. So it's our job when we're introducing clients to make sure we keep that perspective. There's different lenders that are more flexible to be able to help with those sort of problems. I certainly think out there, banks are very cautious at the moment. The concept of a bad bank seems to be very different than what it used to be. I think reputational risk for a lot of banks is out there. They're not as keen to pull the trigger to get people out of there. For many of us, that's not a bad thing, and there's lots of clients that work better with other brokers and advisors when they're at different levels of the credit curve. But for us, look, that's the perspective we certainly have. We think that whether a client's bankable or not, beauty's in the eye of the beholder.
Yeah, the banks are even wanting to be in the lending business anymore. We won't go down that rabbit hole, but you're quite right. You wonder whether or not the whole capital market shifting to banks focusing more on wholesale funding and transaction services.